Everyone, I'm Aadrita. Today I'm going to show you an optical illusion called bird in a cage. Yes, you need a motor, a 3-volt battery, this type of car where one side is the cage and one side there is the bird, and fold it, some velcro, but you could also use double-sided tape, a straw, and let's start. So first, take your motor and put the straw in it, like this. And take some velcro, make sure to separate it too. Take one part and glue it right here, where you want your cage. And make sure to wrap it around. Now, take the card you want and take another side of the velcro and remove the protective layer. Then put it right here. This could help it join. And also make sure to close this part too. Otherwise it will get open and no one could understand. So we also need, I have this, what you could take, if you have a relative, you could take this. I'm closing it right now. Now take your 3-volt battery or 4-volt if you have, or 9-volt or anything you have. Now join these two with the black bolt and the white bolt. Now go to the observation bodies. If you see the bird in the cage, now you could see the bird in the cage. Then you have fall for the illusion. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye.